Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sanjumani. We already discussed about PowerPlan terms in previous video. So I'm going to show you in the terminal how the PowerPlan is going on. Now, before going to the PowerPlan, I will tell you a simple topic about metal layers. Now, simple topic of metal layers. Yes, this is our topic today. After completion of this topic, I will show you the PowerPlan in the terminal. So, I have a question for you. Have you ever seen layers like M1, M2, M3 in the chip? If you know the answer, those are called metal layers. If not, I will explain clearly. So keep watching till the end. Then only you should understand properly. Now, the first question is, what is metal layers? Metal layers are nothing but those are wires. Those are wires. Those are wires inside a chip. So that is nothing but the metal layers. So these are nothing but the metal layers. So metal layers are nothing but wires inside a chip. They are used to connect different components. Let me type here. They are used to connect different components like gates, flops, blocks or memories. So all these are connected by using metal layers. So I will tell you an example to understand properly. Imagine a city road system has small streets, main roads, highways, all are used to manage the traffic. Yes. So similarly in a chip, we are using multiple metal layers to manage the signal routing. So that is nothing but the metal layers. Now, next I will show you the metal layers, how the metal layers are going on. So, like these are the metal layers. Okay. These are the metal layers view. Okay. Initially, we have two types of metal layers. First one is horizontal metal layer. Okay. Second one is vertical metal layers. Right. So, horizontal metal layers are odd numbers. Okay. Just I will text here. Odd metal layers. Okay. Vertical metal layers are even metal layers. Okay, right. Sorry. So these are the even. So these are the odd. Now, so odd metal layers are M1, M3, okay, M5, along with that M7, M9. So these are the odd metal layers. Now coming to the vertical metal layers. These are M2, M4, M6, M8. So these are the vertical metal layers. Okay. Small design contains only M1 to M9. Okay, but in bigger designs contains more metal layers. Okay, this is a simple topic we covered. So hope you understand about the metal layers. Now the second topic is vias. Yes. What is via? Have you know about via? Vias are nothing but if signal needs to move from one layer to another layer. That's where via comes in picture. Vias are nothing but to connect metal layer. To connect the metal layer is nothing but via. It's a simple definition of via. Okay. Let me take one example. So this is M2. Let's take an example. And this is okay. By connecting these M1 and M2, we need to use one via. We need to place a bridge between these two, right? So that bridge is nothing but the via. Via is nothing but to connect the metal layers. Okay, that is nothing but the via. Okay. Via 1 is connects with M1 to M2. Via 2 is connects with M2 to M3. Like that we use via to connect metal layers. Simple example to understand about via. Vias are nothing but it is a flyovers or bridges connected to the roads or highways. We all know about the bridges and highways, right? What is mean by via? This is the metal layer, horizontal metal layer, right? M1 is the horizontal metal layer. This is the M2 metal layer, okay? The connection between M1 to M2 is nothing but the via. See, this is the via, okay? This is the via. The connection here, you should see here also. So, the connection between these two is nothing but the vias, okay? If we don't use metal layers here, M2 and M3 metal layers are connected each other and we get the violation. So, in order to reduce the violation, we use metal layers. Different vias we should use. Okay. Simple definition of via is to connect the metal layers. Okay. So, as I told you earlier, I will show you the power plan in the terminal. So now, before going to the power plan, we should write one script for the power plan. Now, we should see the power plan script now. Inside PowerPlan script, we have some information about VDD and VSS. See here, these are M7 and M8 means metal layers, right? So we need to provide the metal layers to the all the connection in the design. See, this is our design. This is our design, right? So for the design, we need to provide proper VDD and VSS to all the macros and standard cells inside the design. For that we need to write one script. So this is the script which we need to provide VDD and VSS to all macros and standard cells by using metal layers and vias. Now I will show you the design. Here have you observed here? Just I will disable the layers. Now 1, 2. Just I will go one macro. So here have you saw this? This is VSS. What about VDD? Here you saw VDD. So this connection is nothing but power plan. We need to provide proper connection to all the macros and standard cells. For each and every macro, we need to provide one VDD, one VSS. Okay, so that is nothing but the power plan. See, if you go here, this is the VDD and this is the VSS. for every macros and standard cells. Inside this we have standard cells. Let's go inside here. So here these n buff, have you observed? These are the standard cells. What about this? These are the connections. See, these are the VSS, VDD, VSS. So see, these are the VSS, VDD. So like that we need to provide proper connection to the all the design. So this is nothing but the power plan. Now we don't have any metal layers, right? So I just type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So see, these are all the metal layers information. If I go here, here layers M4. What about this? Layer M2, layer M2, layer M1, M2. What about the via? See, this is the via. I will show you. This is the vias. Okay. Just I will select here. So this is nothing but the via. Okay. These are the vias to connect the metal layers. Okay. Now these are the M3 metal layer. What about this? This is M1 metal layer. This also M1. So like that. What about this? These are the M7 metal layers. We have all metal layers in the design. Okay. Hope you understand about the power plan. From now onwards, I don't go inside the design. I should explain few terms about sed, awk, vim commands. All these I should explain properly. Then only I will come to the stages. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.